G'day and welcome back to Fun with Canva. In today's tutorial, we are going to look at how to edit this text which was created in TypeCraft and change the colors of each of those words. So what do we do? So this is our base. So we want to go into here and duplicate. We want to place that over the top. Now how do we change these two layers, or how do we get rid of these two layers to change the color of the middle text? Quite simply, we go to background remover, click on background remover, and no, not background remover, go to edit, sorry, go to background remover here, click on that. So we did click background remover and it brought us to here anyway. So we want to go to erase. So we go to erase and we want to increase the size of the brush. And what we do is we simply just go over this, making sure that we don't erase the word below. Go over that like that. Take that out. All right, and there you have it on the top one. And then we do the same for the bottom one. Just come over here, go over here. We erased a little bit there. Actually, we'll get rid of that because it'll show. So just erase that. All right, go through here. Get rid of that. Get rid of that. All right, so now that we've got rid of that, we just press the X button here and just double check that that's the top layer. So come here to layers and go show layers. Yep, it is the top layer. So then what we do is we come over here to edit, go to duotone, click on custom, and that changes. So if we want to change it to a different color, come over here to blue color. All right, we can do that for highlights and do the same for shadows. All right, and there we have it, changing color of text. And to do the same for another layer of text, we simply just duplicate that one. All right, it's on top. We place it on top there. Now, we've colored the middle layer. We want to change the top layer. So we want to get rid of the second and the third one. So we go to edit, go to background remover, go into background remover, and again, simply just use the eraser, come down through here. All right, make sure you don't miss anything, and just give that a good old erase, like that, and then close it. All right, and then what we do is make sure we clicked on it, go to edit, go to duotone, custom, and as you can see it changes there. So then we just come through here, pick a color, do the same, and there you have it. We have three different colors for the shockwave text, which was created in TypeCraft. So if you want to know anything more, feel free to jump on my YouTube page, Fun with Canva. Invite members to our Facebook group, the Fun with Canva Facebook group. And so I should have said with the YouTube channel, just press the subscribe button, like and share. Anything else you want to know, let me know. And until next time, have fun with Canva. Thank you so much.